Hi friends, so I'm back with my new video. Basically checking that how we can do the complete installation of BigChain DB on AWS Cloud Machine. Basically we already gone through till this page. So at the bottom, if you'll go, you'll see this particular link that the dev documents are available, and once you click on this particular link, then you will be routed to this page basically, and this will give a step-by-step process to do the complete installation of BigChain DB. And then here we need to click on this particular link so that we can see that how we can do the installation. So the very first thing is deployment on the machine. So friends, these are the some of the prerequisite that if you are using the AWS, then all these ports should be open, which means that in your security policy these ports should be open to communicate, and this is one of the prerequisite. Next is, so this particular is not needed because we already generated the key through which, with the help of which we'll be logging to the terminal. Now there is a prerequisite of Docker. So in today's video we'll be understanding and we'll be learning and we'll be doing that how we can install the Docker on AWS machine. I already logged into my AWS machine, and how I can log in, you can refer to my previous video where I have explained that how you can log into AWS machine. So once you logged in, you'll be able to see the IP and the detail. So friends, to set up the Docker machine, the very first thing which we would be doing is, first we need to update the package, installation package. So to do that, we need to hit the sudo yum update -y. So friends, after executing this command, all the packages which are part of this EC2 machine, it will be updated. So friends, this is completed. Now I got the summary also that these are the list of packages which are installed. These are the list of packages which were updated, and these were some of the packages which were replaced. And the very next thing which we need to do is we need to write the command to install the Docker Amazon-Linux-extras. So this is part of extras. So we'll be installing the Docker. So friends, what I have done is I have written the command. Now it will be installing the Docker on my machine. I got the summary that these are the list of dependency which would be installed with the Docker. It is asking that whether shall we continue with the installing the dependencies or not. So we'll put yes. So friends, now my Docker has been successfully installed. Now let's execute the command to start the Docker service. So for that, sudo service docker start. So this will start my Docker machine. Next thing which we need to do is we need to add the EC2 user in our Docker user list. So how we can do that? There is a very simple command, sudo user mod a -g docker. So friends, what this command would do is it will add this particular user EC2_user in my Docker user list. It's done. Now next thing is we need to check and verify that our Docker service has been successfully installed, started, and the list of variables which were defined, we can get it from this command. So docker info. Okay, so it is giving me error that Docker got permission denied. So let's do one thing. Let's put sudo and docker info. Now this is installed, container running, pause, stop, all these kind of information you will be able to get from this info. So friends, this way we can set up the Docker on the Amazon AWS machine. So friends, next thing which we would be doing is that our Docker has been installed successfully. Now we'll be installing the BigChain DB on our machine.